Okay, we're gonna go to this bat cave and do a quick tour. We're just trying to find us some flashlight.
You standing here? Try here, it's nice.
Over here.
No, yeah, okay, stay there.
Are they protected?
No.
No? How about these guys? Do they take care of them?
Just only cleaning the area.
Galaw-galaw ka, babe. Video to. You stop? No, it's okay.
I don't know where we are, but it's so pretty. Minsan may similarity sa Maui, no?
Are you ready?
Yeah, we're ready. So, great today. I'm literally trying to walk in slippers. Trying to follow him. But, this place is so pretty. Oh look, there's tiny fishes! This is so similar to Maui, which is another island of Hawaii that we went to. It's called Red Sand Beach, and the water is similar to that, which is really blue. And then there's also like a coastline. Anywhere. It's so nice.
Do you want to go there?
Okay. Thank you.
What time are we?
Time to eat. Morning vlog. I got ready, I got makeup on, but I decided to lay down because I'm so sleepy. It's like 6:30 in the morning, or like earlier than 7 a.m. And I haven't put on my clothes yet. I need to be eating breakfast by 7 a.m. and I don't know. Wait, what are we gonna see today? Basically we're just gonna be driving around. It's our last day here in Lombok. Everything is so beautiful. Last night was the best dinner. I forgot to take my, well, I didn't forget, I was too tired to take off my camera. But yeah, I was too tired, but hopefully I will insert clips for my Instagram in the video just to show you what we had for dinner. I had pasta, Napo something, and then Ed ate pizza, and then they had the best calamari as well, and fried bananas with ice cream for dessert. We ended up sleeping at like 9 p.m. and slept for 9 hours because the day is literally so tiring and we haven't had enough sleep. I kept on waking up in the middle of the night. Maybe because my body clock works as New Zealand time still. But yeah. Good morning vlog. Okay, I am ready. I think the last clip that you saw me in was I was in bed. Okay, so today we're gonna go do a little bit of hiking. So I decided to just wear shorts and just a bandeau, so that when I get hot I can just sweat it out and not worry about my clothes sticking on my skin. Oh, it's beautiful. Same place, different day. Look at that shirt though. Okay. I don't want to leave this place.
Nice visiting in Nusa Penida is Bangkang Beach, Atu, Diamond.
Hello. How are you?
Let's go.
wedding dress here for getting photo together.
Okay.
First, I just take your round here.
Okay.
Okay, cool. No worries.
Come close here. So this is I told you before, Songket weaving.
Songket?
Songket weaving.
Oh, cool.
Smell the tradition of women must be able to weave. Start from that.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Do they do it every day?
Yes, every day about
8 hours a day.
like this.
Do you sell it?
Yes.
Is it for business?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna get dressed.
Hold on, binibidyo kita. Don't look like Filipino.
Indonesian.
Lombok.
Lombok? Okay. Video. Thank you. Bye. Thanks for the tour. A lot of tourists come here.
Not really, because too far.
Okay.
Oh, it
Eat-
feels so nice.
Hey, wait. You're eating chips. Bye. I want to touch you, but you're dangerous. No worries. You just take your time.
Because he was telling me to cancel.
Bye, monkey. Yep, I'm so not prepared for this.
This.
You install the pipes,
Yeah, probably.
so the water will come.
For the village, for drinks, for cooking also.
Okay. We made it. We saw the second waterfall. It took us like an hour to get here. On slippers. Peace.
Ate, ASL po. Miss ASL.
Yeah. Okay, overall it was a really pleasant and nice experience. We're gonna go and eat now and hopefully get some sleep, but I will see you probably on the next vlog. One last dinner with the babe in this awesome place. I have fettuccine pasta, but what do you call it? Pescatun or something? I forgot. And then Ed is having some Indonesian food because he wants to try them out. I don't want to leave this place yet. But meanwhile, we are watching Thor. Thank goodness for cable line. Right, we're gonna go and eat. Night.